Hello students, good afternoon everybody, and this is again a new session for vocabulary, the series which is going on, easy English tricks, and we are doing vocabulary sessions in this class, in this sessions, and this is the third session related to the vocabulary part and especially related to root words, right? So in the last two classes we have done certain words which were related to some roots, and in this session also I have chosen 4 roots which are related to Latin और Greek origin, ठीक है. So ये हमने कुछ roots choose की हैं और इन पर based कुछ words हम discuss करेंगे in this session, right? So welcome you to this session and let's get started. So we are doing vocabulary based on root words. As you know that root words are really, I think, relatively helpful in retaining words in mind and improving and enhancing the vocabulary which is required as per the pattern of the examination, competitive examination, right? In like one-word substitution kind of questions, you will come across that number of root words will help you to get to know the answer of the question related to one-word substitution, and most of the times you will find that the word which is related to that question is based on root word. Maybe its root might be related to French, Italian, German, Latin or Greek, ठीक है, and it can be a pure English word also, right? So it can be related to any language, but I have chosen especially those roots which are related to Latin or Greek origin, right? So like the first root which we are going to do today is amor, ठीक है. This is the root word amor, or basically you can see that this am also relates to this root word, and this amor or am, the basic part of the root is am, and the words which are formed with this root is amor, ठीक है, which means and which is Latin. First of all, it is of Latin origin, which means to love, right? Yani this root is connected with love, amor or am, right? In French also this root amore, it relates to love, right? And German also, Spanish also. So in most of the language you will find that some of the words which are based on the roots are connected to love, right? So the first word is amor itself, which means the Cupid, right? You might have seen the image of Cupid, which is related to Greek origin, Latin origin, and Greek also, okay, because this word is related to Greek origin, right? So Latin, Greek and French and German also, in all these languages AMOR, AMORA, AMORE, these roots relate to love, and this is related to Greek origin. As you can say that, see that this is amor. Same way, we have a word amorous. We have word amorous, right? I have told you that whenever you will find OUS in a word which is based on prefixes and suffixes, so OUS will relate to that word to adjective. Okay? So if anything is amorous, that thing is expressing of love, right? Like I can say amorous intentions, यानी पॉजिटिव एंड एक्सप्रेसिंग ऑफ लव इंटेंशंस, यानी किसी की ऐसी इंटेंशंस विच आर फिल्ड विद, ठीक है, विच एक्सप्रेस लव. सो वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड एक्सप्रेसिंग ऑफ लव इंटेंशंस, ठीक है, किसी की इंटेंशंस टुवर्ड्स लव. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ relativity you will find in this word. Third word is amity. You will not find amor, but you will find this, the basic root of this word am, right? So amity is a noun. This is not an adjective, it is a noun. Okay, it is a friendly relationship. Friendly relationship, ठीक है. एमिटी बेस्ड ऑन, जैसे एनमिटी है दैट इज हॉस्टाइल बिहेवियर, एंड एमिटी इज फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर, फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप, राइट. सो you will find this root am in this word. Now coming to a next word which is based on amateur. You will find again this am root, basic root, ठीक है, and you will find amor also as the root in most of the words which are connected with love, right. You will find again these two words, amiable and amicable. Amiable and, so amateur is one who loves, one who likes to do things out of love rather professionally, right. So a person who is amateur does certain kind of things out of love because he likes to and he loves to do that things, rather than he does those acts professionally, like a person who plays guitar, a person who paints, a person who draws pictures, right, who draw portraits, right, but not that he is in that profession, but he likes to do that, he loves to do that. So that kind of person is termed as amateur because he is doing those things out of love for those kind of things, ठीक है. So same is this is amiable and amicable, ठीक है. Amiable is lovable, like if I say he is a amiable, ठीक है, person, so that is lovable, जिसको प्यार किया जा सकता है, who has that lovable disposition, ठीक है. And amicable is friendly. Amicable is friendly, and in both things the basic ingredient is love, because you love your friends, right? The person, the things you like, you love those things. Okay? So you have that feeling of same root based on love. Okay? Chale, moving on to next few words based on these, like these are two words. I will relate to these words as inamorata or inamorato. Difference is just for A and O. Difference is just for A and O, right? So just remember, a person with whom a male person, specifically a male person, a male person with whom someone falls in love. यानी एक person, if he is a male and a person who falls in love with that male person is the inamorata, and amorato is a female. A female person with whom someone falls in love, right? And two more words I'll discuss with these with this root. One is I think you've got these two words, just the differences of A and O, right? A is related to man. just याद रखिए कि मैन में ए आता है, इसलिए आप इसको इससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन रिलेट टू, ठीक है. एंड इन एमोरेटा इज फॉर मेल एंड इन एमोरेटो इज फॉर फीमेल. देन वी हैव एमोर पैट्रिय. एमो पैट्रिय, आई थिंक आप लोग इस वर्ड को रिलेट कर पाएंगे पैट्रियट से. एंड दिस इज एमोर विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द रूट एम or amor. Perfectly, this root is related to amor, yani love. And patriot is, this word relates to love for one's own country. As you all know, patriotism is related to the love for country. When we say that the person is a patriot, that means he is in love towards his country, right? Patriotism. And that pat is related to father. That pat is related to father, right? The pat root is related to father, but it relates to the country of that person, right? So amor patriae means the love for one's own country, right? And the last word is Amanda. This is a name for girls, right? And this is a name for girls in which she who is to be loved, she who is to be loved, right? So this is a name given to girls. Parents name their girls as Amanda, right? And she who is to be loved, यानी हम उस अपने बच्चों के लिए स्पेसिफिकली गर्ल के लिए ये नाम रिलेट कर देते हैं, बिकॉज शी हु इज़ टू बी लव्ड. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच आर बेस्ड ऑन रूट एमोर, राइट. नाउ The second most important second root for today is ANDR, ANDR, ठीक है, sorry, ANDR, ठीक है. I think this is a very known root word which relates to, this is also Latin, its origin is Latin, and it relates to male, husband, right? This relates to male or husband, or you can say it also relates to masculine gender, ठीक है. यानी कुछ वर्ड्स में आपको ये मैस्कुलिन जेंडर के लिए रिलेट होता हुआ मिलेगा, कुछ वर्ड्स में ये हस्बैंड से रिलेट होगा बिकॉज हस्बैंड्स आर मेल, एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर मेल, राइट. सो जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है विच इज रिलेटेड टू दिस इज लाइक एंड्रॉयड. आप मोबाइल फ़ोन्स यूज़ करते हैं और उसमें हमारा जो सिस्टम होता है दैट इज़ एंड्रॉयड बेस्ड मोबाइल्स एंड सिस्टम्स, राइट. एंड दिस एंड्रॉयड इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दिस रूट. ये जो एंड्रॉयड वर्ड है ये बेस्ड इसी रूट पर है बिकॉज एंड्रॉयड मीन्स अ मैन लाइक रोबोट या मशीन, राइट, अ ह्यूमन लाइक. और वो ह्यूमन को हमने किससे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है? मैन से. तो कुछ बुक्स में या कुछ जगह पर आपको देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर ह्यूमन लिखा है, ठीक है, और वो ह्यूमन कहाँ से रिलेट किया गया है? मैन से. बिकॉज ह्यूमन को हम मैन एक जनरल सेंस में वी कैन टेक दैट वर्ड, ठीक है. सो अ मैन लाइक रोबोट. सो एंड्रॉयड इज अ टर्म, इज अ वर्ड which is based on this root ANDR, which denotes male, masculine और for husband. like जैसे ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये जो वर्ड है, इसमें आपको ये जो पॉलीएंड्री, राइट, दिस इज द वर्ड पॉलीएंड्री. अगेन पॉली इज रिलेटेड टू मेनी, ठीक है, एंड एंड्री इज रिलेटेड टू हस्बैंड. यहाँ पर मेल की बात नहीं हो रही, यहाँ पर हस्बैंड से रिलेट हो रहा है. सो ये एक प्रैक्टिस है, प्रैक्टिस ऑफ हैविंग 2 or more husbands at same time. Yani if a woman has 2 or more than husbands, then she is said to be having the practice of polyandry. जैसे husband के लिए more than 2 wives होना, जैसे more than 1 wife is bigamy and more than 2 wives, right, is polygamy. तो husband के लिए जो word है that is polygamy, and जो wife के लिए word है that is polyandry. यानी एक wife अगर एक woman जो है if she has 2 or more husbands at the same time, so then the word relates to that practice. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Like ये third word है which is, it's a very I would say interesting kind of word, androgynous. Androgynous, right. अब देखिए इसमें कितने सारे रूट्स हम रिलेट कर लेते हैं. OUS, मैंने आपको कहा कि OUS किसी भी वर्ड में अगर आपको दिखाई देता है ना, इफ यू फाइंड OUS इन एनी वर्ड, सो विदाउट थिंकिंग जस्ट रिलेट दैट एज एन एडजेक्टिव, कि ये एक एडजेक्टिव है और ये किसी ना किसी की क्वालिटी को बताएगा, राइट. GYN रिलेट्स टू वुमेन, ठीक है, और अभी हमने ANDR किसको रिलेट किया? मैन को, ठीक है. सो दिस इज फॉर वुमेन एंड दिस इज फॉर मैन. यानी एक ऐसा वर्ड जिसमें मैन और वुमेन दोनों आ रहे हैं और आगे क्या लिखा हुआ है? आगे एडजेक्टिव को रिलेट कर रहे हैं. यानी एनीथिंग विच हैज़ बोथ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ. सो हम ये वर्ड वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर अगर ऐसी क्वालिटी होती है, ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगी, नॉट क्वालिटी, विच कैन रिलेट टू बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल. लाइक आई वुड से एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ शिवा. भगवान शिव को आप अर्धनारीश्वर भी कहते हैं. आधा उनका जो शरीर जो है, एक इमेज जो है उनकी आधी नर का है और आधा नारी का. right? So that is, we can say that Shiva is in androgynous form, right? और ऐसा ही एक डांस फॉर्म होता है जिसमें जो आर्टिस्ट होता है, जो डांसर होता है, वो शी और ही ड्रेसेस लाइक, द फ्रंट बॉडी इज ड्रेस्ड अप लाइक अ मेल एंड the body from behind is dressed in a female attire, or you can say half the body is dressed in male and half the body is dressed in female attires, right? So that kind of dance forms are also called androgynous dance forms. तो यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं having characteristics of both man and women, man and women, और मेल और फीमेल भी लिख सकते हैं, दोनों आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर, राइट? सो ये जो वर्ड्स हैं, these are related to andro, you can say to male or female. Then we have next word androcracy, and androcentric. I think अगर आपको रूट का मीनिंग मालूम हो ना, तो you can just reach to the meaning of the word. Now if I will not relate, अब see, you can see this root and you can see this root. Crazy means rule. कहते हैं ना डेमोक्रेट, डेमोक्रेट का मतलब क्रेट मीन्स रूलर एंड क्रेसी मीन्स रूल. डेमोक्रेट, डेमो मीन्स पीपल, क्रेट मीन्स रूल, यानी रूल बाय पीपल, right? Aristocracy, aristocrat, aristo means rich people and crazy means rule by rich people. So you can just connect and join two different roots to make a new word and just get out of the meaning, right? So centric means focusing, centric means in the center, यानी कोई भी ऐसी बात which is male centric. आप देखते हैं कि इंडियन सोसाइटी में, या कह सकते हैं कि in other parts also, I would say world is androcentric, and especially India. And now the things are changing a little, but if you go around 20 to 30 or 40 years back, you will find that the society was more androcentric, यानी male dominated society, यानी focusing all the things towards the male. ठीक है, आज भी कुछ parts में इंडिया के बॉयज़ को और मेल्स को, जो घर में मेल होते हैं या जो बॉयज़ होते हैं, उनको प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है. गर्ल्स आर स्टिल kept behind the walls, right? So this is a word which is related to androcentric, that means focusing or relating to male or man. ठीक है, यानी जो आइडियाज़, जो बातें, जो थिंग्स, जो थॉट्स, जो व्यूज़, जो आइडियाज़ विच आर मेल सेंट्रिक, विच आर मेल ओरिएंटेड, man oriented, they are androcentric, right? So these are some words which are related to andro, right? 2 minutes. तो अभी actually we had 4 root words, right? और अभी हम इसी के 2 root, इसी के कुछ words कर रहे हैं. Like I think you know that what androphobia would mean now. You would know that what androphobia would mean. This is related to roots, right? Like again, this root is related to male or men, right? You can also relate to husband, but this is not related to husband, rather this is not related to more of husband, but is related to more of male and men. And phobia means fear. So there are some women, some girls which have fear of men, जिनको आदमियों से डर लगता है, right? So that kind of phobia is androphobia, right? Fear of मेन, और यहाँ पर फियर की जगह डिसलाइक भी कह सकते हैं। वो फियर जो है ना वो उसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है डिसलाइक में या हेट्रेड में, ठीक है, डिसलाइक और हेट्रेड टुवर्ड्स मेन, ठीक है। सो दिस इज एंड्रोफोबिया। आवर लास्ट वर्ड वुड बी एंड्रोएनाटोमी, एनाटोमी। Anatomy. I think you can judge out the meaning by this word, anatomy. You can judge the root. You can say that there are different anatomies of different structures, but यहाँ पर हम जो बात कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं related to male और men, ठीक है। तो the study of physical structure of male, ठीक है। और आप इस वर्ड को भी जानते हैं एंड्रोजन, द मेल हार्मोन इन आवर बॉडी, ठीक है। ये जो हार्मोन होता है इसी के डिसबैलेंस से चीज़ें बदलती हैं, ठीक है। हार्मोन्स जो हैं वो इन्हीं के बैलेंस से कई बार एक्ने एंड द हेयर ऑन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी आर रिलेटेड टू दैट। जैसे आपने देखा होगा किसी के चेहरे पर कम बाल होते हैं, किसी के चेहरे पर ज़्यादा बाल आते हैं, किसी की दाढ़ी बहुत जो बियर्ड है इट्स वेरी थिक, ठीक है। किसी की मूछें वो जल्दी आ जाती हैं, मुस्टैशेस, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू दिस मेल हार्मोन, ठीक है, which is androgen, right? So today we'll do this much, and thank you all for joining the class. And this was our third session based on root words, right? Thank you all for joining.